begin matrices. Matrices is very easy. Okay, so it's going to be some very basic mathematics. We should cruise through it pretty quickly, and then we can have hopefully lesson 4 spend a bit more time on our folio task. When we come back from recess, a bit more I'd like to talk about. So what is a matrix? So matrices is plural of matrix, and a matrix is a rectangular array or a rectangular box with numbers and letters in it. And so we describe a matrix as having m rows by n columns. Okay, so rows, how many rows does it have going downwards? Here we have 2 rows and we have 2 columns. So we would describe this as a 2 by 2 matrix. All of these ones are 2 by 2 matrices. Okay. Over here we have 2 rows and 3 columns. So this would be a 2 by 3 matrix. And over here we have 3 rows and 1 column. So this would be a 3 by 1 matrix. Rows by columns. Another way you can describe it is like if this is matrix A, then you can describe it as A, 2, 3. Matrix A has 2 rows and 3 columns. Okay, so then let's perform these operations. We'll show you how straightforward they are. They're a bit like vectors. So what we're going to do, we can only add and subtract matrices if they have the same number of rows and columns, so if they have the same shape. So if we can identify they're both 2 by 2 matrices, and then we're just going to add or subtract each corresponding cell. So we have 2 plus 4, that is 6. 7 plus 5, 12. 8 plus 2, 10. And 1 plus 1, 2. So when we add these 2 matrices together, this is what we call the resultant matrix. Okay, in our second example, we have these 2 matrices that are equal to one another. So if they're equal, it means the corresponding, we can say cell, we can say element, corresponding cells or elements are equal. So we've got A is 4, and we have B plus 2 is 2. So we'll get B is 0. Okay, that's enough to get into the questions in the book. Starts off pretty straightforward. Let's do it.